Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Saving with Christina. In this video, I'm going to show you how I saved over 90% off retail at CVS this week. The CVS deals this week are awesome. The ad started today, Sunday, November 22nd, and runs through Saturday, November 28th. There are a few deals that are just good from Sunday to Wednesday, so look for that in the ad, and I'll point that out here as well. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget, I will be doing another giveaway when I get to 1,000 subscribers. All right, so let's talk about how you can save over 90% off at CVS this week. I'm gonna start with a super simple one. The Alka-Seltzer gums. These little guys here, they are 3 for $1, and you're gonna get $1 back when you buy 3, making them completely free. I did find that over near the medicine, and it was in like a tall bin with these and some sample size Nature Made vitamins. Another awesome freebie and moneymaker is the Colgate toothpaste. So this Colgate toothpaste, the total is $3.49. There is a 50-cent off coupon in the Smart Source that came out today. You would also get a $2.99 off CRT when you scan your card at the red machine. So that makes this item completely free, but check your Ibotta app and see if you have a rebate for $1 back. I did, so that made this $1 moneymaker. If you do not have the Ibotta app yet, use the referral link in my video description below. It's also located on the Google Doc that I have provided for you. When you use that referral code and scan your first receipt, you will start earning money back. Ibotta is one of my favorite apps. All right, now let's talk about one of these that is good only until Wednesday. So this Venus razor, this was $5.99. I had a $2 off digital coupon clipped to my card, as well as a $3 off Gillette or Venus CRT, making this just 99 cents. But then I got $2 in extra care bucks back, making this $1.01 moneymaker. So that was a great deal on the Venus razor. Okay, another deal, and I talked about this one last week, and the deal is still good this week using the Shopkick app. If you don't have the Shopkick app, go ahead and grab it. It is a fantastic app. If you want to use my referral code, I'm going to put it up here on the screen for you. You will get some extra kicks back. The Shopkick app is giving 1,000 kicks back, which is equivalent to $4, making it $2.49. And then Ibotta is giving $1 back, making this just $1.49 after both rebates. So let me tell you some of the other makeup deals that you can grab this week. Because remember, for every $30 you spend in beauty, you get $3 back as part of the beauty club. So when I scanned my card at the red machine this morning, I got a coupon for $8 off a $20 purchase for Maybelline or L'Oreal. So I had to get to at least $20 to get that $8 off. So I purchased this L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte powder. This was priced at $12.49, and that got me over halfway to the spend 20 get 8 off. Also, L'Oreal is on promotion for spend 12 get 4. So this was $12.49. I then bought the Great Lash Mascara for $7.59, and I bought the Baby Lips for $4.79. I used the $2 off coupon from the November 15th Retail Me Not for the Maybelline Mascara. I used the $8 off a $20 CRT purchase. So I paid $14.87. I got back $5 for spending $12 on the Maybelline. I got back $4 for spending $12 on the L'Oreal. And I got back $2 from Fetch Rewards for buying any Maybelline lip product. So that made my total for all three of these items just $3.89 or $1.29 each. So fantastic deal. Again, if you don't have the Fetch Rewards app, grab it with my referral link below in the video description. And when you scan your first receipt with Fetch Rewards, you'll get an extra $1 back. So that's a great newbie offer for you guys. Let's see, was that all the beauty items? Yes. All right, so now let's talk about the fantastic spend 30, get 10 deal. So there are tons of different ways that you can do this. I'm going to show you the way that I chose to do it. The Pantene is part of the spend 30, get 10, but these are 3 for $12. And there is a $5 off 3 coupon in the P&G insert that came out this week. These right here, the Herbal Essence Bio Renew, these guys are buy one, get one 40% off. So I paid $8.29 for one, and then I paid $4.97 for the second one. And there is a $4 off 2 coupon in the P&G insert that came out today. The last item that I grabbed to get to $30 were these Tide Pods. These were priced at $4.94, and I used a $2 off coupon that I got from the pggoodeveryday.com website. So these items totaled $30.20. Okay, so that got me to the spend 30, get 10. I had the $5 off 3, the $4 off 2, the $2 off 1. I paid $15.20 and I got $10 back, making it all just $5.20 or 86 cents per item. But it gets better because these items here count towards Beauty Club. So when I combine these items as well as the makeup items, I'm going to get $3 back in beauty. Now, if I had grabbed one more beauty deal this week, I would have gotten another $3 back in beauty. I think this put me just like $1 shy. So check out some of the other beauty deals that are going on this week that I didn't grab. One of them is the GSQ nail files. It's a 3-pack of nail files, and those are $4.99. You'll get $4 back, making them just 99 cents. There are also Wet n Wild kits that are $4.99, giving back a $4 extra care buck, making those kits just 99 cents. And then there are even bigger kits that are $9.99, giving back $8 in extra care bucks, making that just $1.99. Now, I didn't grab any of those, but I did want to let you know in case you yourself were interested in purchasing them. All right, another great deal this week are on the U by Kotex pads. They are buy one, get one half off. And when you buy 2, you will get $2 in extra care bucks back. So this one right here, this was priced at $1.89. The second one will ring up at 95 cents, so $2.84 for both, and you're gonna get $2 in extra care bucks back, making this product just 84 cents for both or 42 cents each. All right, the last item that I want to tell you about are the toilet paper packs, the Babo toilet paper packs. So these guys are priced at $10.99. They are on sale. Buy one, get one free. And when you buy 2, you'll get $3 in extra care bucks back. Now that is a limit of 1. I also had a buy 2, get one free coupon on my card. So that means I buy 4, but I pay for 1. Okay, so it was $10.99 total. I got $3 in extra care bucks back, making all 4 packs just $7.99 or $1.99 per pack. So overall, a fantastic haul over at CVS this week. If you guys have questions, please let me know. I am happy to answer any questions that you may have. If you're finding other fantastic deals that I missed out on, please let me know in the comments below. I would love the heads up on anything that I might have missed. I did not have any lotion CRTs. I know a lot of people are talking about the $3 off 10, the lotion CRTs, which makes for some good deals on that Nivea lotion or the Gold Bond deal. I didn't have that, so I did not do that deal this week. Stay tuned. This week I am hoping to have a Walgreens video as well as a Walmart Wednesday video for you, so make sure to tune in to that. Thanks, guys.